Today I'm going to be telling you a story, and I know it very well, and I love that story. And I found it in my book called All in One, and there's another one, but it says two. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the story. Once there was an ant climbing above a pile of grass, and then she slipped into the water, and then there was a bird on a nearby tree. Then she quickly plucked a leaf out of the tree and then threw it in the water. And then the ant swam toward her, and then she climbed on it. And then suddenly a hunter came, and then hoping to get the bird in the net, but the ant quickly bit him on his foot, and then he dropped the net and went away. The end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, bye.